To dye your beard or to not dye your beard, my friends? That is the question. Now, I have my input and a little bit of a background pertaining to the topic, but let's hear from you and let's just help the rest of us out in regard to dyeing your beard. For those of you that do, what are your recommendations? What's your insight? And for those of you that don't, what are your opinions when it comes to dyeing your beard? Do you prefer to see it all natural with the little grays going through, or do you think it kind of cleans it up a bit in dyeing it and making it all one color? Let's back up a tad. Let me go back over here. This is a little depressing. The tree looks very sad right now. We started to take the ornaments down. It's a sad day. Look at this, all of this madness everywhere. It'll soon be back to normal, but I mean, my inclination on this whole little situation is that I think since we have this tree up here, and it's a pretty darn big, it's a 12-foot tree, I say we just keep it in the house and just change it with the seasons. Let's hear your thoughts on that one. Anyways, back to the topic at hand. Let me give you my background when it comes to a beard. I've had a beard since 2012. Now it's gone through many phases. Some I'm more proud of than others. I've had a really short beard with a really cleaned up cheek line. I've had a long beard with a natural cheek line as well as a very clean cheek line. And I have dyed my beard in the past. Now, not for what you would generally think someone would dye their beard for. It wasn't for the grays. It was because my cheek lines weren't full. And so I wanted to kind of cheat and fill them in. Now, what are your thoughts about that? What are your thoughts about people filling in their cheek lines with dye to make them appear more full? Anyways, so that's what I did. And I'm glad that I tried it because I look back at the pictures of my beard before and I can see what I like now and what I don't like. And I really didn't like the unnatural look of how that did appear. Now again, everyone is different. That's why Baskin-Robbins has 31 flavors, but that's my personal opinion pertaining to my dyeing the beard. And now that I do have a lot of grays coming in, I actually really like how it makes the beard look. It gives the beard character. It doesn't look like every other beard out, not that every other beard out there is one color, but I like that it gives it its uniqueness. Let's break this up a little bit. Now, in a previous video, somebody in the comments mentioned below that they want me to do another giveaway. So here it is. Let's do another giveaway. With this giveaway, let's try something different. Now, for those of you that have Instagram, let's do this. Go ahead, make a post that has your 2020 resolutions and tag me in it. It can be a post either on your main thread or on your IG story, and it has to be public. That way I can see it. And I'll go ahead, I'll go through those resolutions and I'll just randomly pick a few of you and go ahead and give you some beard product or beard apparel. And one more thing with that, I'm still not where I want to be in regard to balling on YouTube. So I do ask for those of you that I do pick as winners that if you're up for it, when I go to ship the products to you, I will be asking for at least $5 to cover the shipping expenses if that's within the US. And if it's in another country overseas, we'll discuss shipping, I guess shipping options when it does come down to it. So hopefully you guys are up for that and ladies are up for that. Now let's get back to the discussion. Alrighty, coffee is full, so we're set to go. Now again, back to the discussion at hand. So what is your take on the whole dyeing your beard, whether it be for filling in the cheek lines or filling in some other part of your beard, or if it's to cover up grays? Please, let's discuss this. Let's find out your thoughts. And this goes for, again, this goes for those of you that actually do dye your beard, your thoughts and insight pertaining to it. And this is also for those of you that are opposed to using dyes or you don't dye your beard, and let's hear your input on that. So yeah, I guess that's going to conclude today's discussion. And I guess you know what, most importantly, Happy New Year's to you. Let's conquer these goals for this coming year. And as always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe if you aren't already. Yeah, cheers.